Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the "This experience is not accessible" error on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. If you're seeing this error, it usually means the experience is unrated and your account age is set to under 13. To fix this, start by logging into your Roblox account on a browser. Once you're in, click the gear icon at the top right corner and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll to the Birthday section and check the age set on your account. If it's under 13, you won't be able to access certain experiences on Roblox. To solve this, you need to verify your age. Click on the Verify My Age button. Roblox will prompt you to scan a QR code using your phone. This process uses your government-issued ID to confirm your real age. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your ID and take a selfie. Make sure the information is clear and accurate. Once your age is verified, and it shows that you're 13 or older, you'll no longer see the "This experience is not accessible" error when trying to join unrated or age-restricted experiences. Verification may take a little time, but once complete, you'll have full access to all experiences allowed for your age group. So that's basically how you can fix the "This experience is not accessible" error on Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.